Filtering in Microsoft Excel is an Excel feature that allows one to quickly display only the data that they want to see at a particular time, while at the same time hiding other ones without permanently deleting them. So we are presented with this worksheet, which comprises of the staff sheet, with each of them having a name, last name, department they are working for, the date they were hired, and so many other parameters here. Now, so in this department, so in this department column, we have different staffs in the department column, starting from development staff, staffs, research staff, and so many other things. So let's assume that in this cluster data now, we only want to see the list of development staff or the list of research staff and so many other ones in this big data. As you can see here, there are different staffs all clustered together. So for us to do this, we'll have to first of all toggle on the filter button. So for you to toggle on the filter button, make sure you don't click outside of the workspace. Click on the workspace, then come over to this data tab. When you click on data tab, this filter option will show up. So click on this filter drop down and click on filter. So when you click on filter, all these filter button will apply to all the headings in the worksheet. So now when you click on this filter button drop down, everything here is selected. That is why they are all showing. So for you to only show a particular staff in the particular department, all you just have to do is toggle off everything, and then let's say you only want to show the staffs that are in the research department. Just click on this research and then click on apply. Now the only thing you will see in this department column here is the people in the research department downward to the end. So it will filter out every other staffs that are not among the research department. So the same thing applies. You can also multi-filter. Let's assume you want to see both staff that are in research department and in sales department. You can choose to have two of them like this. Just click on apply and then it will show you. The only thing you will see here now is the staffs that are in the research and sales department. Now, to give your work a better clarity, you may wish to sort them. Let research come first before sales, or let sales come first before research. That is where sorting comes to play. So sorting now helps us organize it how we want to view it. So let's assume we want to view it in an ascending or descending order. So let's sort it from A to Z. You will see that letter R will come before letter S. That is why research is coming before the sales department. So after this, let's assume that we now want to check the date that we hired and want to see the research and sales staff that we hired in a particular date. You can come over to this place, look at the date of hire now, and click on the drop down. Now look at the date that appears in this worksheet that said the day we hired staff. So let's unselect everything here, and we want to see only the staffs that we employed in 2011. Remember, we want to see only the research staff and the sales staff that we employed in 2011. So you can see that there were just 4. So that is how this thing happens. So you may wish to widen up the search and say, okay, I want to see the staff I employed in 2011 and 2010, and you include it. So you can see that the number has increased. You employed this number of people in 2010 here and 2011. So that is how to use filtering in Microsoft Excel. I hope you learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel.